5 beauty tips for a serene glow. Hi, Pearl Beauties. Today, let's dive into 5 beauty tips that will help you achieve a serene and glowing look while embracing your natural charm. Our first tip is as simple as it gets: drink plenty of water. Hydration keeps your skin plump and radiant, making it your best friend for achieving that natural glow. Instead of overwhelming your skin with countless products, focus on a minimalist skincare routine. A gentle cleanser, a hydrating moisturizer, and sunscreen are all you need to let your skin breathe and shine. Adding a touch of pastel makeup or nail polish can elevate your look. These soft hues are timeless and effortlessly chic, just like you, Pearl Beauties.
Getting enough sleep is like pressing the reset button for your skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night to help your body repair, rejuvenate, and keep you looking fresh and radiant.
Lastly, inner peace is your secret weapon for outer beauty. A few minutes of meditation or deep breathing daily can reduce stress and help you radiate positivity and calmness. Thank you for watching, Pearl Beauties. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more serene beauty content. Until next time, stay beautiful.